I get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. You is my...
Hey guys, your realtor Paul Lambo with Maximum Players. Today we are bringing you a golden opportunity to own this beautiful custom-built bi-level home sitting on 4.5 acres of land in the heart of Sherwood Park. We're walking distance to Walmart and all the other major amenities you can think of. Corner of Range Road 232 and Y Road. This home offers great ton of features, separate side entrance to a legal basement suite, spice kitchen, and all the features that you can think of. I want you to come have a look. Come on.
When I text a cute game wildness, throw a stack on the Bible, never Snapchat or took Molly. She fought through plenty, her and all her guineas. Yeah, we at the top floor, right there off through Henny. Yeah, oh no, I can't fuck with y'all.